What's good, my friend? Welcome to this tutorial for CFG. My name is Ted from Ted Talks Bass, and today I'm going to show you how to pair your CF-80 wireless system. Whether you've had it for a while and all of a sudden it's lost connectivity, or if this is your first set, I'm going to show you how to get these guys up and running. So in my experience, once they're paired, they stay paired. I haven't had a problem. However, if you don't use them for a long time, or if the batteries drain all the way, you may need to repair them. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the transmitter and the receiver and turn those on. Like I said, mine are already paired, so the lights are solid blue. Everything is good to go. But let's say I lost connection and I need to repair them. What I'm going to do, you want to turn them both on, ensure they're powered up and ready to go. Make sure you got a good charge. On the receiver, you're going to find that link button. The link button is right there by the on and off switch, and you're going to long press that until the lights start to flash. That's showing you that it is in pairing mode, okay? After that, you're going to take your transmitter, you're going to long press that until those start blinking. And this is just showing you that, just like a Bluetooth headphones or whatever, that you're in pairing mode and they're ready to go. Once they are rock solid, the lights are going to be solid blue. Just like that. It's pretty simple. You never have to worry. So that's how you pair your CF-80 wireless system. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you want some more tutorials, bass tutorials and things like that, see me over at my channel, which is Ted Talks Bass. I enjoy these, and I know you will too. As always, peace. Two fingers.